If your Chromebook supports Google Play Store, you can enable it and create a shortcut for quick access.
So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.
Now follow these steps to install and set up the Play Store on your Chromebook. First of all, open a Chrome web browser on your device. Then in the search address bar, search for the Google Play Store and press enter. Here you can see the Android apps on Google Play option available at the top. Simply tap on it and navigate to it, and make sure you are logged into your Google Play Store account via your Google account. So now once you are in here, all you have to do is tap on the three dot icon available at the top right corner of your screen, right next to your profile of the Chrome. Simply tap on it and a drop down menu will appear from there. Then tap on the cast, save and share option available there, and you can see create shortcut option available. Simply tap on it and click create shortcut. Now here you can enter any name according to your preferences. I am tapping down Google Play Store. After you are done with the name, you can simply tap on the create option available at the bottom, and this name will be saved on your Chromebook.